If you're exploring budget-friendly options for denture comfort, you might have encountered the Furzero Silicone Reline Denture Set. Marketed as a do-it-yourself solution for enhancing denture fit, it claims to offer professional-grade comfort at a fraction of the cost. But does it deliver on its promises? Let's delve into the details. Disclaimer: this review is based on personal opinion and publicly available research. It is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a dental professional before making decisions about your oral health. According to the product listing on Ambrin store, the Furzero Silicone Reline Denture Set is designed to provide a comfort and customizable fit for various dental conditions, including total or partial tooth loss, loose teeth, overbites, and the product boasts the following features. Crafted for medical grade natural rubber for safety, offers excellent flexibility and adaptability to fit any mouth size, claims to be certified by the ADA and ADHA, and ships from Melbourne with a 180-day refund guarantee. The set is priced at $44.97 for 2 pieces, down from a listed price of $199.97, indicating a significant discount. Despite the appealing claims, several red flags have emerged from user reviews and expert analysis. First is the questionable certifications. Investigations reveal no verifiable evidence supporting the product's claim certifications from the ADA and ADHA. Misleading marketing: the product is sold under various names such as Vialgo and this one, often through affiliate marketing sites lacking transparency and customer support. For the quality and fit issues, users reported the silicone material does not mold properly, leading to discomfort and ineffective results. While the Furzero Silicone Reline Denture Set presents itself as an affordable alternative to professional dental services, the lack of credible certifications, negative user experiences, and questionable marketing practices suggest caution. For those seeking reliable denture solutions, consulting with a licensed dental professional remains the safest and most effective approach. Always research thoroughly and consult with professionals to ensure the best outcomes for your oral health. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.